Hi everyone, welcome back to Tiny Talent Art Studio. Today we're going to draw a Mickey Mouse ice cream. You're going to need a black marker, some colored markers, and some paper. First, we're going to draw his eyes near the middle top of the paper, right about here. 2 ovals. Now the inner part of his eye, and the inner part of its eye to side. Great job. Now let's do a little smile on this ice cream. Let's keep going. We're going to do little sprinkle cheeks for this ice cream. He's going to have little sprinkles for his cheeks. 1 and 2. Great job. Now we want to draw the top part of the ice cream. The ice cream is going to have kind of a melted chocolate top. So we're going to go back and forth and make it look like melted chocolate. Now let's do the bottom part of the ice cream. We're going to go down and we're going to make sure that ice cream looks like it's really melting on the cone. Do loads of squigglies. You can do whatever kind you want. You don't have to follow it exactly the way I'm doing it. I'm sure yours will look just great. And then bring the line down and connect it. Great job. Now, next up, we're going to do Mickey Mouse's ears, okay? So start above the eye there and make your first ear and around. If you need to use a pencil instead, that's fine. Okay, I'm going to do my second ear, up and around. Big mound, like a big hill. All right, let's do the cone. So we're going to go from about here down to about here, okay, into a point. Okay, start the line down, well done. And then the other way, down to a point, and curve up. Very good. Let's add some hands. Here's his one hand. We're turning him into a cartoon. And he has a little glove on him. Okay, now we're going to do his thumb. Backwards like that. Well done. And then his pinky. It's going to go up like that. And he's a cartoon, so he's going to have 3 fingers and 1 thumb. So he has 4 all together. Here we go. And that's his palm. All right, now let's do the other side. We'll do his other arm. Great job. Now, let's do his little glove. The same thing, round it up. Okay, and let's do this part. Oh. Let's do his thumb. Good job. And then we'll do his 3 fingers also. He's going to be holding a little fist though. 1, 2, and 3. Well done and connected. Good job. Let's do some lines on our cone and make it look like a cone. Some diagonal lines. And then we'll do the other way also. If you want to turn the paper slightly and turn your hand slightly. If you want to turn the paper more, go ahead, whatever works for you. Okay, that looks so good. Let me just color his eyes in here with some black. I like to add some highlights later on using a white paint marker, but if you like to just not color in parts of the eye right now, if you don't have a white paint marker, that's fine too. But I think a white paint marker is a great thing to buy. They're not expensive, and they really make your pictures just pop at the end. All right, he's all done. Let's get coloring. If you'd like to follow me along step by step, I'll be showing you which colors I'm going to be using, and I'll leave the name of the markers I use in the description below. Great, that's it, our Mickey Mouse ice cream. I think he's super cute. Thank you so much for joining today on Tiny Talent Art Studio. Hope to see you tomorrow. Bye!